HubSpot Business Automation Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to HubSpot are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its key features, who it's best for, and how well it performs. HubSpot is an all-in-one business automation platform that combines CRM, marketing, sales, and customer service tools to streamline business operations. It's designed for startups, small businesses, and enterprises looking for a scalable, user-friendly solution with powerful automation. One of HubSpot's biggest strengths is its CRM integration, which provides a centralized platform for managing leads, tracking customer interactions, and automating sales workflows. The CRM is completely free, making it a great starting point for small teams, but it scales well with paid plans that unlock more advanced automation, AI-driven insights, and reporting tools. On the marketing automation side, HubSpot offers a drag-and-drop email builder, landing page creator, and robust campaign tracking tools. Users can set up automated email sequences, segment contacts based on behavior, and track engagement with detailed analytics. The workflow automation feature allows businesses to automate repetitive tasks like lead nurturing, follow-ups, and pipeline management, ensuring sales teams focus on high-value tasks. For customer support, HubSpot includes live chat, ticketing, and chatbot automation to enhance customer interactions. The Service Hub ensures teams can manage support requests efficiently, track resolutions, and use AI-powered insights to improve response times. Another standout feature is HubSpot's seamless integrations with tools like Slack, Zoom, Google Workspace, and hundreds of third-party apps. This makes it easy to connect existing business tools and create a unified workflow. The reporting and analytics dashboards offer deep insights into sales performance, marketing ROI, and customer engagement, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. Pricing is flexible, with a free plan covering essential CRM features and paid plans for more advanced automation, AI, and analytics. While the platform is extremely powerful, it has a learning curve, but HubSpot's extensive tutorials, documentation, and support make onboarding easier. Overall, HubSpot is one of the best business automation platforms available, offering a feature-rich, scalable solution for sales, marketing, and customer service. If you need an all-in-one tool to automate and grow your business, HubSpot is a top choice. Check the links in the description for more details.